Nothing cool about the weather.
No, seriously.
It's not cool, but cruel,
Yeah.
right? So we've got moisture, but no rain.
Yeah, it's up there in the air. We just can't squeeze it out somehow and make rain out of it. It's not going to get any better anytime soon, unfortunately. Yeah, the rain we saw is now gone, but the heat is here to stay, as is some of that humidity. There's the official high, actually 99 degrees, 1 degree shy of that triple-digit mark. We should be at about 93 this time of year, well above that, but still nowhere near the record of 108, so that's something we can thank. We're down about 2.5 inches, though, on the year, so we could use a little bit more of that rainfall. Not all of us saw some rainfall over the last few days, so we could tally a little more, but none in the near future. The aquifer did get a little bit of a bump over the last 24 hours, up about 1/5 of a foot to 664.7, so it's up about 2 years based on historical averages, but that's going to start going down now that we're losing that moisture. We have 85 degrees right now, mostly clear skies. The dew point at 75. That's very high. It's climbed a lot in the last few hours, so it really feels like 93 outside, much higher than the actual air temperature, and that breeze out of the southeast at 18 and not helping to cool us off a whole lot, but it's at least a beautiful shot of downtown San Antonio. Temperatures across the area, we're seeing a lot of 80s out there at this hour, a few low 90s, 91 for Carrizo Springs and Cotulla, Uvalde 86, Hondo 90, Boerne 84. Factor in that humidity, here's what it really feels like. Still feels like 99 in Hondo, 93 Boerne, also 93 in Pleasanton. You got to go well to the northwest for you in Rock Springs, where it feels like 87 as of the 10 o'clock hour. Some hot stuff. First alert Doppler radar scanning those skies. None of this reaching the ground. Earlier today, we did see a few showers off towards Houston and also Galveston. That's now all gone. Most of Texas now looking cloud free. The upper level low responsible for our rain continues to pull further and further away from us. We do have a system off to the north across parts of Kansas. That's not going to make it down here. We've got a ridge of high pressure building in, and it's going to sort of build a wall and keep all that to our north and keep that heat trapped underneath. We'll walk you through the next few days hour by hour. We'll start you out by watching that clock in the upper corner of your screen. That'll start you out tomorrow morning at 6:40. Notice we have a lot of cloud cover. No rain to talk about. It's the typical summer days in south central Texas. We get the clouds in the morning. It's very humid in the morning. And by the mid-morning to late morning and definitely well before noon, those clouds break up. And we'll see plenty of sunshine throughout most of the day, mostly sunny skies. Highs in the low 100s for our southern counties, mid to upper 90s across parts of Bexar County, including San Antonio, the Hill Country, low to mid 90s. As we head into the day on Saturday, we'll start off again with some cloud cover. Temperatures struggling to drop out of the 80s into the 70s for lows. Then by the afternoon, once again, mid to upper 90s, low 100s, and that's how things are going to stay heading into the holiday weekend. And that's all thanks to that building ridge of high pressure, and these contour lines equal areas of pressure. The further they go to the north, that means the further the heat builds to the north, and you'll see most of the country here overtaken by that ridge, and that means most of the country baking under extreme heat heading into the first week of July. 77, the overnight low for San Antonio. The muggies returning in a big way, and they are already here with that heat index 8 degrees above the actual air temperature right now. Tomorrow's high 96, factor in the humidity a full well over 100 to 105 at times. Some areas up to 110 or more. 96 again Saturday and Sunday. Monday 97. We'll cool it back down to 96 for a little break from the heat on July 4th itself. It will be dry though, so watch out where you set off those fireworks, and it'll stay hot heading into Wednesday and Thursday. No relief in sight, so keep that water handy and stay in the shade as much as possible, guys.
All right, thanks, Jeremy.